guys, it's Mutahar here, and welcome back to another video, where today we're going to be reviewing Skullcandy Hesh 3. So let's get right into the unboxing. There's the box right now. There's a bag, talks about everything. What the heck? Wow, it opens from here. What is this? There's a card. Oh my god. We got little YouTube red thing. So here it is right now. Here's where you open it, and there we go. Yeah, here's the headphones right now. They're so cool. I think it has built-in noise isolation as well. Now, I don't think it has noise isolation, or at least it doesn't advertise it, but I think it's just because of the over-ear design. The box is right here. Comes out like that, kind of, and you can go and dump it, and you get the box. So it has that Skullcandy logo. It's pretty cool. We have aux cable, as you can see, and we have charging cable and some really tiny little guides. So yeah, they're user guides, and then there's a quick start guide. And yeah, so let's go test the audio quality actually. So here are the normal headphones right now. These are like the ones that I use right now. So uproar wireless. Let's go test these right now. Yeah, it sounds pretty decent. Like the uproar wireless, like I haven't really tested any other headphones, so these sound pretty good. But let's go move on to the actual big headphones, the Hesh 3. Yeah guys, these headphones are super clear. For Audiophiles, this is really good. The only problem I have is there's just not enough bass. But you can just change that in Windows software as well. You can like make it bigger bass. So yeah, then it becomes really good. So yeah, highly recommend you to buy these headphones. They're like $100. They're a bit on the pricey side, but if you have the money, you should go get them. And they're really comfortable as well. So yeah. My rating would be a 9 out of 10 or 4 out of 5. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.